If you have files or folders that you wish to share across your work network or home network, then this video is for you. First thing that you want to do is go to your file explorer, and here you want to look for that folder that you wish to share across the network. For example, in my case, I would like to share this folder right here. So I would right click on the folder, then here at the bottom go where it says properties. Here under properties you want to go where it says sharing. Under sharing you want to go where it says share. So now here you've got two options. You can either give access to a specific person or you can give access to everyone. So for example, you can click the drop down and click everyone, then you can click add. As you can see here, everyone across your network will be able to see this file. They won't be able to modify it. If you want them to modify it, you can give them read and write access to that file. So you would do that. Then you want to click where it says share. You should leave it to do its thing. Once it's done, I'll show you how you can now access the actual files from a different PC. So once it's done, you should be able to see this. So now to access those folders that we have shared, we can easily go to our PC. Here on the search panel here, you can either do that yourself, you can write the actual path yourself, or you can just come here at the bottom where it says network. You would want to click this network, then you are going to see all the PCs on your network. Then here we want this PC, since it's the one that has the files that we've shared, you just want to double click on that. Then once you do that, all the shared files or printers or anything, you should be able to see that green thing there. As you can see, this is a folder we just shared, and now anyone on your network will be able to access all these files that are in here in case you've got documents that you wish to share with your colleagues. This is the best way you can do it on your actual home network or office network. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and follow the channel for more PC tips.